Alright, Steve, Trip 63 on YouTube. Noise in the background. I don't know if you can see all of this, but looks like it's autumn, but it ain't there yet. And the noises. Over there. Turn you around, you go like this. There's 6 1-inch ant-ridden slabs, about 6 feet long, maybe 7. And there's 2 more ant-ribbon slabs and a god-awful noise. There's a Chinese chainsaw mill. It's like the Alaskan, but it's all a knockoff. Knockoff steel 660, which is 92 cc, and a Chinese 48-inch, again, Milton. That's the butt slab. I'd probably get a couple more out of that slab over there. That was the top cut. And I'm just going to get some more off so that it don't break the freaking cord or something. I don't know, but I saw it on YouTube and so did you. Alright. You saw that. And I got my fingers on the screen. And I know all of you guys, this is who you really don't want to see me. But there's Turner the Terrible, and he doesn't like the noise, so he wanted to stay in the truck, or he was gonna run around in the woods and get eaten by freaking foxes and you know, maybe a small bear or even a large bear, because I'm kind of way up north. I'll catch you later. Have a good day.